What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So how to change the aperture? First turn on the camera, go to the aperture mode. You can't change the aperture in the auto mode. First you need to go to the aperture mode. Here you can easily change the aperture with this dial. Yes, can you see? Yeah, it's changing the aperture 3.5 to 6.7. But when you're in manual mode, you can't use for the manual mode. Also you can use for the changing the aperture with same dial. Okay, yeah, that's how you change the aperture. What about a video mode? Okay, in video mode, same dial for changing the aperture. That's simple how you change the aperture. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.